In this tutorial, I show you how to pick up stitches from the wrong side. For that case, I prepared already my orange triangle here, and I grab contrasting yarn. I'll leave the tail in my right, hold the tail in my right hand, and I'm ready to pick up stitch from the wrong side. For that, I move the needle and insert the needle from the back in the first selvage stitch. I wrap the yarn around and I use my right fingertip to hold the yarn so it doesn't slip off the needle, and I push the needle back again, and that's how I picked up my first stitch from the back. The next selvage stitch, I insert the needle through the back, through this purl bump, through the middle of this purl bump, wrap the yarn around. I'll have a bit of tension here, not too loose. Also, with the help of my fingertip, I push the needle with the yarn through where I came from. I'll do it again. I'll insert the needle inside the middle of the purl bump, wrap the yarn around, and push the needle to the back. And this is how it looks like after 3 stitches. I use now the middle of the purl bump, which gives me in fact the half of a selvage stitch. I insert the needle on the line of the half of the selvage stitch, but of course you can also do through the whole selvage stitch, which means I insert my needle below, not in the middle as I would do it here. I would do it inserted here, and of course wrap the yarn and push the needle to the back. I'll do it twice more so I can show you better the difference, how it looks like. I did now 3 stitches with inserting or pick up the stitch through half of the selvage stitch, which gives a nice clean edge like this. And here I picked up the stitches through the whole selvage stitch, which is quite bumpy here. And I show you an example where I did a bit more of it. So this is half of the selvage stitch, which gives you a really nice flat edge. And this is the example for the whole selvage stitch. There is quite some material here left, so that's why you have here kind of a double layer, and it's very physical. You can really feel it really well, that edge. And from the front, that's the whole selvage stitch, and this is the half selvage stitch. I picked up the stitches. I usually do the whole selvage stitch when I pick up a collar or neckband on a sweater. That gives more stability, but for a shawl, for example, I prefer through the half of the selvage stitch. I can give you another example. I did it in that shawl design, and I used the half selvage stitch pick up from the wrong side here, and that's how the wrong side looks like, and it's still a nice neat edge from both sides. And that's how you pick up stitches from the wrong side. If you like this tutorial, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.